Hi everyone, today I would like to show you how to make Chinese chili oil. I have 1 cup of Sichuan chili powder. I got from Asian market. You can also buy some dried chili, then you grounded them. I bought this already grounded. So 1 cup of Sichuan chili powder. I have 1/3 cup of chopped garlic. I got this peeled garlic. Then I took about 6 pieces of them and chopped them in a small piece. Also, I have fermented soybean. Is this black one? It actually looks like this. It's a fermented soybean. Very flavorful, very healthy food. And I chop them in very small piece like this. It's about 1/4 cup. This is optional if it's too hard for you to get. I got this from Asian market. If you can leave this out. Okay. Also, I will add some Korean hot pepper powder. It's not really hot, actually. I don't know why they call hot pepper powder. It's not really hot, but the color is really good. So I use food color to give more prettier red color to my chili oil. So I will probably put about 1 tablespoon of Korean hot pepper powder. Then I have the chopped scallion and a few pieces of ginger. I will cook with the oil to give more aroma to the oil. Okay, so first I put this 1 cup. I will add 1 teaspoon of peppercorn powder. Give a little bit of numbness flavor into my chili oil. Then I will add 1/4 teaspoon of 5 spice powder. 5 spice powder. There's a cinnamon, fennel seed, star anise, ginger, and clove. Just a tiny bit. Then I will set this on side and start to cook the oil. Okay, this is about 2 cups of oil. If I use 1 cup of chili powder, I will use 2 cups of oil. So just about 2 cups of oil. Then I will put scallion and ginger in the medium heat, so that it cook to get the flavor from ginger and scallion. If you are new to my channel, please give a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Also, please stay at the end of this video so you can get all the secrets and the tips of how to make best homemade chili oil. You don't want a temperature too high. It's like a medium to low heat. So that's the oil to get the flavor from scallion and ginger. Now it's about 5 minutes, and you can see it's less bubbling, and the ginger and the scallion gets dried up in the oil. So all the flavor from the scallion and the ginger already infused in this oil. The oil smells so good. So I take this out. Then I will add chopped garlic and this fermented soybean. still in the medium to low heat. Once the garlic turn golden brown, I pour this oil into my chili powder. Smell the garlic flavor also. The garlic start to turn golden brown, I can see. I don't know if you can see here. Anyway, before I pour oil into my chili powder, I will actually add half cup of vegetable oil. Why? To prevent the hot boiling oil burn the chili powder. This is one tip I would like to share with you. Just like that. The garlic is already turned golden brown. You can see here. Okay, I turn off the heat. Now just be careful. Pour the oil, hot oil into the chili powder. Look how beautiful the color is. Such good smell. Now the chili oil is almost made. I will add some roasted sesame seeds. It's like 2 tablespoons. Then I will add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder. You may notice I didn't put any salt. Firstly, the fermented soybean is very salty. And also the chicken bouillon powder also has salt in there. So I don't need to add extra salt. Once I mix them, then my homemade Chinese chili oil is done. So once it's cool, transfer it in a glass jar and store it in the fridge. You can store up to 6 months, but anyway, we finished really quick. I almost put this on everything: soup, when I cook vegetable, and meat. How do you think? It's a simple ingredients and very easy to make at home. Hope you can try it.